revolution with DioSoft, your partners for life. Everyone knows that successful personalities used to follow successful personalities, understand the trends of market and follow it after learning it. Yes, am I right? You also know the current trend, that is of information technology plus soft skills, in which soft skills consist of presentation skills, personality development, negotiation skills, quizzing skills, debates and seminars, creativity enhancing, event management, and communication skills. Our very own Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, also says that if we have to promote the development of our country, then our mission has to be skill development and skilled India, which is what DioSoft is doing for everyone. DioSoft was launched on 24th October 2000 by the former State Minister of Education, Dr. Narendra Nath, along with the founder of DioSoft, Mr. Rishi Sahdev. DioSoft is a global household brand which is catering more than 45 lakh users worldwide. Planet DioSoft is an Indian multinational institution that is not only working in India but also worldwide. And the areas of operations are software development, e-learning, self-study through books and CDs, and skill development. DioSoft is a well-certified institution that holds a trademark given by the Government of India. It has an incorporation certificate. It is registered with FICCI and is an ISO certified institution. And it is also listed with the Ministry of Consumers Affairs, Government of India. Here you can acquire essential life skills that are not taught in any school or college. Isn't it very nice? As we all know, the life skills are really very important for our growth, in which it includes personal skills, professional skills, knowledge and awareness, and social recognition. Essential life skills are taught over the years with proper guidance, environment, dedication, plus hard work. The first essential life skill is personal skill, which consists of positive and motivated attitude, presentation and communication skills, discipline and time management, grooming and hygiene, overall personality, and the most important, that is English language learning. The second essential life skill is professional skill that consists of leadership and organization skills, contribution to the society, negotiation and administrative skills, goals, visions, and career growths. Here you can capitalize your strengths and improve your weaknesses. The third essential life skill is knowledge and awareness, that consists of computer and soft skills, industry and its environment, e-commerce, trends and patterns, opportunities around you, and government policies. The last and the final essential life skill is social recognition. You should be proud of yourself that you are working in a well-recognized institution in which recognition of your work will be given to you, and you'll have your own, very own car, home, and family status. You'll be active on the social media, plus you'll have prominence in the society. Now here you can use the 4 world-class packages to shape your destiny. First of all, you can lead in your own chosen field. Second, you have an opportunity to become a career advisor. And third, you have your very own e-commerce business opportunity. Here we provide you with e-learning, computer education, English language learning, e-school education, online exam testing center, health education, and children encyclopedia. Here we also develop your skills, in which it includes communication skills, presentation skills, body language, management skills, soft skills, relationship skills, and e-library with 200 and plus courses. Now I would like to put up a very simple question to you all, that if you'll go in the market and ask for all these things, how much it will cost? I think you all are smart enough to estimate the value. But here we are providing you all these things with 4 world-class packages, that is Samriddhi package that worth 11,000, then e-learning package that worth 9,900, then executive development package that worth 15,500, and our best-selling package, that is channel partner package that worth 9,500. Here you can become your own boss. You can make your learning complete, promote our products, and learn on the go. Here you can prepare, practice, and perform yourself. You can prepare yourself by attending trainings, meetings, and seminars. You can practice it in teams and under the guidance of your uplines, and you can perform it in your social lives, that is personal and professional lives. Here it is the greatest opportunity ever. The management says that for a product to succeed, there are 4 P's that are crucially important. That is product, place, promotion and price. We took it to the further next step by adding 4 more P's. That is process, partnership, passion plus prosperity, and made it a clear winner. Now the first P, that is product. Our product is education and training. Relevant content is given so that one can compete nationally or internationally. Here you can self-study through books, CDs and DVDs. Process to education. Everyone knows that everything has a process. So to access to our website, you'll be provided with login, ID and password. By entering it, you can easily access to our website. It will look like this, and free updation is there. It means no extra payment is required at all. India is the best opportunity, as developing economy with growing purchasing power is in India. Acceptance to e-commerce is in India. Rapid use and availability of mobile internet is present in India. And the most important, youngest population with growing need for education, skills and right direction is in India. So India is the best place. Now process of e-commerce. You can either work full-time or part-time. You can prepare yourself. You can sell the product to anyone, anywhere and any time. You can share your product in your network. You can register the sales online at the rate of company website. Your mobile will be a showcase, and no inventory, no data maintenance is required at all. Fraction price for normal courses is provided over here. It means everyone can win. And volume versus price model, as you can see on the screen. Now let us talk about e-commerce, that is directly to the consumer, and it is a home-based optional business opportunity. Now promotion of direct selling. You should be proud of yourself that you are working in the most powerful combination of direct selling and e-commerce. If the user promotes our product, it becomes their business. Incentives, promotional offers are also provided by achieving a few targets. Partnership with Genesis International. You can work together in team. Enjoy the power of multiplication. You'll have a community of 45 lakh plus users worldwide. And with a very simple funda, that is learn, teach and grow models, you can win. You can achieve success in your lives. Now passion, the awakening. You can show your passion in front of everyone. May it be singing, dancing, painting, playing, etc. You can prepare yourself holistically. You can experience your life like never before. And you can become a star. Feel appreciated. Follow your own desires. Yes, your own desires. Now prosperity. That is the final goal. You can become a go-getter. Annual awards and recognition of the company will be given to you. Travel and become a real life hero, not a real one. And you can celebrate your life. Social recognition will be given to you in front of a huge crowd. Now, it is the world-class package, as there are more than 200 copyrights with total in-house control and stability of 19 plus years, efficient and well management. And surety is sure. It means industry leads #1 in India and is amongst #1 in the world. And it is the best business opportunity ever, because the e-commerce worth $380 billion. The distance learning worth $375 billion by 2025. And the number of active direct sellers is 100 million worldwide. Now let us talk about e-commerce. That is totally home-based business opportunity, totally optional. As we all know that today is the trend of internet, IT age. Yes? Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay are selling products, but DioSoft sells the basic requirement for everyone, that is education. Everyone can take the benefit of it, may it be students, housewives, employees, businessmen, institutions and senior citizens. Everyone. Now there is a project named Earn While You Learn, Padhai ke saath kamai, in which DioSoft Education Academy and Genesis International team will help you with no target, no time limit, weekly payout will be given with 5% TDS less. The Genesis International team will help you to prepare a list of persons. Contact them, invite them and fix a meeting with them. With a very small funda, that is each one can teach two. You can achieve success in this industry. Here you have the opportunity to earn incentives and scholarship. Are you interested? By referring the product to 3, the total will be 3 and an incentive of 2,000 will be transferred to your account. Plus 6, 3,000, plus 9, 3,000, plus 9, 3,000, plus 9, 4,000, plus 9, 4,000, plus 5, a bonus incentive will be given to you that is of 10,500 with a total team of 50 that is considered as 1 mile and a total incentive of 30,000 in your accounts. Here you are getting channel partner package, virtual campus package, discussion forums, free updation, technical support, skill development training, e-commerce that is totally optional and helped by the Genesis International team in just 9,500. Can you get such offer anywhere? By becoming a career advisor, you have the opportunity after the completion of 25 miles 2% extra additional income will be given to you, and after the completion of 100 miles, a 3% bonus incentive, performance incentive will be given to you, and you'll be recognized as the brand ambassadors of the institution. Here you have the opportunity to earn 1.5 lakh per cycle. Per cycle, 1.5 lakh. But all of this is possible because of the power of your team. This is my mother's pride. This is my father's pride. And even this is my pride too. I am proud to say that I am Audiosoft TM. People used to say that the best time to do anything was 20 years ago. Yes, I agree with them. 20 years ago, the best time was going on. But the second best time is now, today, present. Yes, my dear friends, right now. With this note, I, Anna, thank you all of you for your cooperation. Thank you, Audiosoft.